Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial, and in this video I will show you the divider element. This is very much similar to spacer element. Using this divider element, you can set a clear divider line in between two elements. You can use a border or an image in this case. Click on this plus icon and select the divider element. Once the element is loaded, let's get the element in between two elements. Now click on the setting icon and change the border color. Change the border weight and change the separator width. Click on this icon to adjust it for mobile, tablet, and desktop view. Using this option, you can control the space in between the elements and divider. From the divider panel, you can change the alignment and select the divider type. Let's change the type to image and select an image from the library. You can change the alignment for this image too. The Advanced tab is common everywhere, and we have a dedicated video for this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.